In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the Wi-Fi network on the Epson EcoTank ET2400, ET2810, L3250, and other similar models that don't have a display screen. This process can fix several connection issues, especially if you're having trouble connecting the printer to your smartphone or PC. All right, let's get started. First, turn off your printer and wait until the light around the power button is completely off. Once all the lights are off, press and hold the Network I button and the power button at the same time for about 5 seconds until you see both indicator lights start flashing. When the lights begin flashing, you can release the buttons. The lights will continue flashing for a moment and then stop. Just wait and don't press anything while the process is running. Eventually, both lights will turn off, and that means the Wi-Fi settings on your Epson EcoTank printer have been successfully reset. Now, to activate Wi-Fi setup mode again so you can reconnect it to your smartphone or PC, press and hold the Wi-Fi button for about 4 seconds until both lights start flashing again. After that, your printer is ready, and you can reconnect your devices to the Epson Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.